I am Napoleon. Let's go to work, comrades.
I am Snowball. Stop giving orders. Why don't you do that work?
Comrades, don't listen to Snowball. He doesn't know anything. Everybody has to work. Come on!
First, we should teach the birds, and then we can all work together.
I'm going to work.
4 legs, not 2.
Everybody that works will receive a reward. If you don't agree with me, the doors are open.
We can't keep going if we don't educate first.
Like I said, the doors are open. Now, the things here are going to be different.
What happened?
There is going to be several rules that everybody should follow.
I listen.
1. Whatever goes upon 2 legs is an enemy. 2. Whatever goes upon 4 legs or has wings is a friend. 3. No animals shall wear clothes. 4. No animals shall sleep in a bed. 5. No animals shall drink alcohol. 6. No animals shall kill any other animal. And 7. All animals are equal.
Now, comrades, to the hayfield. Let us make it a point of honor to get in the harvest more quickly than Jones and his men could do.
We forgot milk.
We can't do that.
What is going to happen to all that milk?
Jones used sometimes to mix some of it in your mash.
Never mind the milk, comrades. That will be attend to the harvest is more important. Comrade Snowball will lead the way. I shall follow in a few minutes. Forward, comrades. The hay is waiting.